Hi everyone, good morning. Last class I explained about the small intestine, stomach, esophagus, digestion process. So some elementary canal. So in this class I explained about the glands, digestive glands in the secondary zoology. So in the most of important in this class, so is any annual exams is asked by 2 marks question is there. So what is digestion glands? What is the purpose of digestion glands? So in this digestion glands is releasing to the enzymes and some of hormones. So enzymes or hormones is the help of digestion process of alimentary canal of organisms. So is basically is the function of glands is divided to the three types. So what is there? Is gastric glands and brunal glands, crypt of liver. So this gastric glands is form of warm up alimentary canal, wall of alimentary canals. So wall of alimentary canal is releasing to the so many glands. So first of all, salivary glands. So what is important of salivary glands? So salivary glands is form of mouth and saliva. So basically, salivary glands is divided to the three types. What is there? First, parotid glands and submaxillary glands, sublingual glands. So saliva are included to the enzymes. So these enzymes is help of the digestion process of alimentary canal. So in these glands is three types. So what is parotid glands, submaxillary glands, sublingual glands? Parotid glands is form of surface of cheek. So the parotid glands is the one pair are there. Is one side is the cheek, inner surface of cheek, and right side and left side. This parotid glands is releasing of enzymes. And next one, submaxillary glands. So submaxillary glands is the lower jaw, lower jaw. So these glands also help of digestion and releasing of enzymes. And next, sublingual glands. Sublingual glands is releasing of enzymes. It's still present of beneath or including up below of the tongue, below of the tongue. So this is the salivary glands. So salivary glands is the basically three pairs: sub parotid gland, submaxillary gland, and sublingual glands. Submaxillary, sublingual, and parotid gland. These three pairs is help of the digestion process and releasing of the enzymes. So in the salivary glands is releasing of enzymes is called thalin, and thalin and amylase also salts also releasing by the enzymes. So next, gastric glands. So gastric glands is the beneath of the stomach, beneath of the stomach wall. This is the J-shaped stomach is form of left side of human being. So in this stomach is divided to the three types: caudate and phonetic and pyloric. So same, this glands also is divided to the three types: caudate gland and pylori gland, submaxillary gland, phonetic glands. Sorry. So first of all, caudate glands. This is the caudate glands is beneath of the stomach wall. This caudate glands is form of two types cells. One is the mucus. Caudate glands is releasing of two types and function of the two types. One is caudate gland is releasing to the mucus, and second one is releasing and protect the stomach. So what is the function of caudate gland? So caudate glands is releasing of mucus, so some fluid, and protect the stomach, protect the stomach. This is the function of the caudate glands. And next, pylori glands. This is the middle part, is called pylori glands, which pylori glands is releasing to the enzymes and hormones. So the pylori glands is releasing to the mucus, some of fluid and hormones. What is hormone? Gastrin. Gastrin hormone is releasing to the pyloric glands. And third one, Foundy glands. So Foundy glands is form of different type of cells, different types of cells, and release to the different types of enzymes. For example, so pepsin, pepsinogen, chymotrypsin. These are released to the Foundy glands. And third one, intestinal glands. Intestinal glands. So intestinal glands is the beneath of the small intestine. Beneath of small intestine. This small intestine is largest part of human being. Maximum 7 meters is there. In the small intestine wall is form of different types of hormone, different types of glands. So these glands is called small intestine glands. The small intestine glands is basically two types. One is the Brunel glands, one is the crypts of Liberhun. Crypts of Liberhun glands. So Brunel glands is form of two types of cells. One is the neck cells and chief cells. Neck cells and chief cells. The neck cells and chief cells is releasing to the enzymes. Which enzymes is the help of digestion process. And next, crypts of Liberhook. Crypts of Liberhook is one of the glands of intestinal glands. Which crypts of Liberhook glands is released to the so many enzymes. For example, maltose, maltase, and sucrase, galactase, uh, dipeptidase, tripeptidase, and so many different types of enzymes is released to the crypts of Liberum. So this is the types of glands. So many types of glands is there, but gastric glands, salivary glands, intestinal glands is the most important glands. So salivary glands is the one of the 2 marks question is there. The intestinal glands is the help of the competitive purpose enzymes is the form of intestinal glands. This is the types of glands is the including of second year geology is the first 1A chapter. The most important is 1A digestion and absorption process. Okay, thank you.